Hello children, welcome to Narayana Live Classes. Today we are discussing assignment 8th class, money and banking, trading without money. The first question is, what is called barter system? Barter system nothing but the goods are and exchange from one person to another person without money. Without money, the goods are and exchange from one person to another person. So, and in the previous days, and when and those are not utilizing the money, on that time the goods are and completely exchanging, goods and services are and completely exchanging from one person to another person. Okay, those are not to calculate, and their services, those are not in calculate, and then about the good quality and quantity. Okay children, then next second question. The second question is, why the money is called as medium of exchange? Yes, the money is a medium of exchange because, and here a number of buyers and sellers. First of all, we are discussing about that market. What is the meaning of the market? A place where the buyers and sellers are meet. A certain place is known as a market. Is it right? Then what is that? The buyers and sellers. So here, then what will be the exchanging of the goods? The buyers and sellers and both members are exchanging their goods and services. Their goods and services. So, and this is the one of the important means what will be, and then and exchanging the goods and services. Then whatever the position of goods and services, and then goods and services are, and they are and giving some an amount of money which is recognized by the public. Which is recognized by the public. What is the meaning of currency or money? And what is that one? Money which is completely recognized by the public. That is called money. Okay, rupee, dollar, and then etc. etc. We are utilizing different types of names of the money. Is it right? But here, then what will be the value of the good and services? Then and quality and quantity also, and those are mentioned in the price of the good. And here, then the money is a very important media and in between the goods and services. For example, I want this pen. Okay, I want this pen, and then its cost is 20 rupees. I paid and 20 rupees, and then afterwards I will collect this type of good. What is the value of the good? 20 rupees. Before 20 rupees are in my pocket, then afterwards the equal good is collected from the shop. Then what will be its cost is 20 rupees. What is that? The medium of exchange. I gave money to him and then collect one type of good. It's called as a medium of exchange. What is it? Medium of exchange. Okay. So, this is the medium of exchange in between the goods and as well as services. Goods and services. Children, it is one of the important thing. Services also part of economy. I am giving a service. Is it right? Bank service, soldier service, police service, municipality and workers are giving lot of service. So, these are all important services. So, those are collecting some amount of money from the organization. Is it right? So, these are doctor service, actor service, engineer service. These all are services. Services also calculated in the economy. Is it right children? Next we will go to next question. The third question is, what are some advantages of money? Yes children. Yes, the money makes many things, you know already. Money makes many things. Here, without money, there is no life at present, and then we are given more priority and as per the money. We are given more respect as per the value of the money. Means what is that one? Then we are respecting only the persons and what about the position of and his position in the society, then automatically we are giving and a lot of respect to him or them. Is it right? So, here then what will be, and when we are getting freedom, when we are collecting different types of things, then we have freedom to collect money. We have freedom and to utilize the money for goods and services. And then another one important thing is, and where we are completely moving from one place to another place, and we are completely carry and some of the money. Is it right? Money. And then afterwards, and when we are changing from one place to another place, and its and value is not either increase or decrease. It is not, its value is not either increase or decrease. Okay. So, and then what will be, we are completely, and then what is that one, and we will save the money and for the future of our family, the future of next generation. Isn't it? Future of next generation. That's why then on that time we will collect and some interest and we will save some money in the bank or and other persons. Is right. So this is the, and what is that one? Security. It will give a lot of security to us. It will give lot of security to us. Then and in that, and what is that? It will give lot of care and about our life. It's a need, means of different types of goods, different types of services, needy things and completely satisfied with the money. Okay, children? I hope and you understand about this and assignment. Thank you, children.